Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a chat AI agent using Go. By the end of this video, you'll have a chat AI agent for resolving booking-related queries that your Go application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Head over to AI Studio, open Vibe Agent, and start typing your prompt to define what the AI agent should do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered chat AI agent that helps users with any booking-related queries during flight reservations, including payment status, booking confirmation, and pending transactions. The agent should explain what's happening, reassure the user, and guide them on the next steps. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your chat agent. Now open the API Request Trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a booking experiences an error. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select Go. Plivo generates a ready-made Go snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone Go script or from within your application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a booking experiences an error, cancellation, payment failure, or any status other than successful completion. Now let's test it locally. Paste the Go snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your chat AI agent. And that's it. Your chat AI agent for resolving booking-related queries is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Go application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and help users in real time inside your website chat.